Hi everyone, and welcome to our first release of this new year of SAP Analytics Cloud. We have made a few new releases that we would like to discuss with you, but let's start by introducing ourselves. So my name is Saloua.
My name is Yannick.
And we are both SAP Analytics experts at Flexo. So we have quite a few features that we are going to discuss, and let's take a look at the releases. So first we have the Just Ask feature, where the natural language query feature has made some improvements. Then for data exploration, we are mainly going to focus on the data analyzer, where there have been made some improvements. For example, the drag and drop capabilities for tables has been added, and we have a schedule of insights. Then at the end, we will talk about the enterprise planning, where we now have a multi-action support.
Up first, Just Ask. Just Ask just got smarter. Thanks to generative AI, it now supports automatic currency conversion. If you would ask, show me the global sales revenue, it would show you your sales in your native currency. Now, you're able to ask, give me the sales revenue in a different currency, for example, the yen. SAP Analytics Cloud will instantly convert currencies for you, making analysis faster and easier than ever. Let's see what else is new.
So now the data exploration. So for data exploration, we are mainly going to focus on the data analyzer. So within the data analyzer, we have two new features. The first one is the drag and drop capabilities for tables. So now we are able to create an insight and then change the order of the measures. So we can simply drag and drop the measure from the end to the beginning of the table, and the same is for the dimensions. We can also drag and drop a dimension into a measure to create some calculations. This all gives us a lot more control over the flexibility in our analysis. The scheduling of the insight is a second feature which will come in very handy. So with this feature, we can plan our scheduling, and we can also create an automatic export of our insights in PDF, CSV, or Excel. So this feature also introduces a new button where we can schedule our publication, and it will also automatically send out the export. So let's take a look at this example. So here we have a table where we see our quantity sales and we see our retail value. So our retail value is now at the end, but we would like to have this one at the beginning. So we simply drag and drop, and we see that now the table has been changed. So we save, and then we will create a scheduling. So we create a published schedule, and then we give the schedule a name. Then we will add the dates. So we first choose how many times a month or a year we want to have it. Then we choose the occurrence, so once a month or once a year. And then we choose the exact start date and the exact end date. So after we have done all of this, we can go and check the availability. So we can see that for this publication, there is no conflicting publications, so everything is good. And then we can go and choose the type. So we will choose the PDF, and then we just create a subject. And then we will also add some context for the email that will be sent out, so that people know what is inside the email. And if we scroll down, we can also put in the receivers. So in this example, a colleague of mine, we will send this export to her. So if we've added the person, we can click on Create, and we will see that we get a warning. We can just continue, and then we see that the publication has been successfully.
Up next, enterprise planning. For our final update, the new job monitor. If you're working with data actions or multi-actions, you will love this one. Instead of juggling different places to track execution, everything is now in one central job monitor. This means you get a clearer overview, a detailed execution history, and an easier way to track and manage automated actions. No more guessing what's running or completed. You'll have everything in one central place. Now, let's take a look at a demo and see how it works in action. We start off in our homepage. Then we click to the Data Actions tab. Here we can see the new button, the Job Monitor. in a data actions overview, you can still see all your running data actions. If you click through, you can see all the details. So what is new? Here we get an overview of all the multi-actions. If we click through on one, you can see all the data actions with more details. For example, what's the duration? What's also new is that you can now filter. You can filter on the main jobs, all jobs, data actions. We're going to filter on the multi-actions. You can also filter by status. Was the multi-action completed successfully or did it fail? You can also filter by total duration, but also where the data action started from. For example, a story or a multi-action. So at the end, we can get a filtered overview of all our multi-actions.
This was it for this first release of 2025. We've discussed quite a few features, so let's take a look at what we discussed. So first, we started with the Just Ask feature, where the natural query language feature has made some improvements. Then for data exploration, we mainly focus on the data analyzer, where there has been added the drag and drop functionality, and we also can schedule insights. Then at the end, we ended with the enterprise planning, which has now the multi-action support. So this concludes this release of the first quarter of 2025. It was quite a small one, so if you would like to know more, please visit our page down below and follow us on LinkedIn for more information about SAP and Flexo. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next release. Bye.
See you in the next video.